Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 25/6/2023 and the time is 7:45 and the market closed exactly at our number, which is 18,666. But I'm not giving up the hope of market is going to go down drastically from here because the medium term is looking seriously bullish. And even in 1 hour time frame, based on fortune signals, still it is bullish only. But we have taken a short position based on 15 minutes and we are holding our short position. And I'm telling for the last 1 week that try to be very cautious on the mid caps, try to book profit, lower your position size and all that. And last 2 days of fall in mid cap, it has actually cut deeply, in the portfolios. And 21st June was the exact high made in mid cap as well as in small cap index. So you need to remember that. So now till coming to Nifty, till Nifty is holding 18,666 to 18,636. You don't need to worry about it. But now I'm giving little bit cushion also. Till Nifty holds 18,584. 584. You don't need to worry about Nifty on a closing basis. Close below that, you need to be really, really worried. I'm expecting roughly around 18,089 on the cards in Nifty. And compared to Bank Nifty, Nifty is looking definitely okay. And Bank Nifty is totally exhausted. But one thing for sure, none of the weekly candle close to below the previous week candle. So the trend is still intact. And yeah, based on the daily, the candle closed to below and the top happened on 19th, which was the Saturn date, combination of a moon date, and then 21st, which is the solar date, which you all know, with another combinations also, which I clearly mentioned in my last week video. So it is close to below that also. So Nifty and Bank Nifty on a daily, if you take the daily candle, it closed to below, but it closed to below exactly on that time. That is what is more important. And if you see, we made a bottom on 17th June 2022, where we made a bottom at 15,183. And if you calculate exactly 1 year from there, we made a top on 19th June because 17th June was an holiday. So 19th June, we made a top. So exactly the 1 year combination, the cause which is happened at 17th June 2022, and the effect is clearly showing on 19th June 2023. So unless and until it is not going to go and close above 19th high, there should not be any aggressive buy. Okay. And we talked more about all this in our webinar, comparing with Pitchfork, Ichimoku, and all the time frames and all that. So I'm not going to go to the chart again, but I want to show you one thing in the chart. Okay, now let's go and see all that. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty in 1 hour. So till it is not closing below this sell candle low, which is roughly around 43,397, I am not giving up the hope in Bank Nifty. First of all, I'm showing this in 1 hour. In 15 minutes, it is in bearish, so no doubt about it. In 1 hour, still it is holding because this low happened on 15th June and it is holding that 15th June low. So till now, in 1 hour, it is fake sell only. I already told 2 weeks back that whenever you get a genuine sell in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty on 1 hour closing basis in fortune signals, you will not get a buy. You will not get a buy till August 4th, 2023. But as of now, there is no sell. There is no genuine sell in Bank Nifty. So there is nothing to worry. And if you go to Nifty also, it is exactly at the support. It is exactly at the support. So it has not given up a sell. It is not even given a sell in Nifty. So when compared to Bank Nifty, Nifty is looking good. It is exactly at the support and it exactly closed at our number, which is 18,666. But in case if it gives the genuine sell tomorrow, day after, whenever, then you need to be really, really cautious because after this, it will not give a buy till August 4th, 2023. This is purely based on the previous thing which is already happened based on the fortune signals. I'm just copying and pasting that here. Okay, so as of now, nothing to worry based on 1 hour candle, but 15 minutes, yes, it is bearish and we have taken a short position also. Okay, and coming to Nifty. Okay, simply mark this candle. Simply mark this candle. This is 1 hour I'm showing. This candle is the time cycle candle, which is 13th June, 3:15 candle to 3:30 candle. But we should not take this candle because it is 15 minutes candle. We should not take the candle. So we need to take the next hourly candle, which is this hourly candle, which is 14th June 2023, 9:15 to 10:15 candle. Mark the high and low, take the trade. Don't worry about this high happened on 8th and this high happened on 30th. Don't worry about all that. Simply take the position above this candle high, which is 14th June 9:15 to 10:15 candle. Till it is below that candle, it is bearish only. It is bearish only. Okay, I'm talking about now based on time cycle, not on fortune signals, not on numbers. This is purely based on time cycle. Okay, and if you go to Nifty, this candle is more than enough for you. This candle, which happened on 2:15 to 3:15 candle on 23rd June, which is the time cycle candle. So simply mark the high and low, whichever side it breaks, kindly go with it with the stop loss of the candle. For example, if tomorrow market closes above high of this candle, the high is roughly around 18,706. Simply go long with the stop loss of 18,666. If it goes below and closes below this candle on a 1 hour closing basis, again saying on a 1 hour closing basis, because I'm showing this in 1 hour, not in 15 minutes. So if it closes below this candle low, which is 18,666 on hourly closing basis, wait for it to pull back to that number and put a stop loss of 18,706 and run the show for the complete week. For the complete week. And apart from that, if you go to Nifty, this month, which is November 1st, 2022, is the mega weekly candle. And I have already explained this in my video many times. Many people are not watching fully. So that is why they are not able to identify when I ask the question today, why this candle is important. So this candle is very, very important. So mark the high and low. Until now, none of the candle closed above. And again, this candle, which is happening this month, which is June month, also a very important time cycle candle. So now how to trade this? So in case if you are a mega positional player, simply wait for next another 4 days, let the market gets over. Okay, then mark the high and low of this candle, because trading this candle which happened on November will not be fruitful because it is roughly around 1,000 points candle. Very difficult. But if you take this candle is very, very small, around 400, 500 points. But I don't know what's going to happen in the coming 4 days time. But as of now, it is 400 points or 450 points candle on a time cycle. So mark the high and low, simply take the trade. Mark the high and low and simply take the trade. So this is based on monthly. So this coming month candle is very, very crucial, and this is what I teach in my course, why this candle is very crucial. Okay, and again, this candle was very crucial, and I made the video also, and I showed this in webinar also, but many people are not able to recollect why this candle is so special. Okay, so now we talked about time cycle. Now let's go straight away to, and apart from that, if you go to daily, the candle which is going to happen on 28th, this candle is having 4 combinations. This candle is holding 4 combinations. I already told you, till Nifty holds 28th April, this candle low, 28th April candle low, you don't need to worry about Nifty for the entire 2023 till it holds that candle high and low. Okay, simply mark the high and low and take the trade. Now, if you take Nifty, Nifty is far above from this level because the high was 18,089. So in case if the market comes down, the possible target is 18,089 to 17,885. So I'm keeping 18,089 because of the pitchfork combination and the Ichimoku combination, and it is a time cycle high. So that is why I said, in case if the market closes below 18,564 or 584, right? I don't remember the number. The target will be 18,089. So now mark this candle. But if you go to the Bank Nifty, and okay, before I'll finish Nifty. So now Nifty 28th June is 4 combinations which is happening. And if you take 28th April, it is 3 combinations. But now 28th June is 4 combination. But 28th is holiday. So 29, it's a mega day to trade, and it is expiry day. Monthly expiry where 4 combinations are happening. Simply mark the 30 minutes high and low and take the trade and be with the trend and be happy for the June month. Okay. So 28th is holiday. So the effect will be on 29th. Okay. So now if you go to Nifty Bank, so if you mark the 28th April high and low, 28th April high and low, which is this candle, and if you mark the high and low, this is the high and this is the low. Market is nearing that number, and it came all the way and touched very near to that number on 20th June, and now again it is here. So this candle will do the needful for the entire 2023. Above this candle I is still bullish, below this candle is bearish. Very simple. Till October 24, 2023. So mark this candle and simply be with it. And you can also buy in case if the market comes down to 43,000. I don't know what is the high of this candle. Okay, 43,302. If you are trading based on time cycle, if you're trading based on time cycle, you need to buy. You need to buy because this is the mega candle rather than 19th or 21st June and all that. This is the miracle candle of 2023. Okay, so mark the high and low, keep it in your system, see how the market is reacting to this time cycle. I don't want to do trend line, RSI, MACD, stochastics, saying the divergence. Everybody knows the divergence. Everybody knows. The whole world is only using that. So we are not talking about stochastic, MACD, RSI and all that. We are talking about time. Okay, so use this and enjoy it. So now let's go and talk about the numbers. Okay, so now, okay, so now Adani, we all know, collapsed. And when we predicted 1 week back, and we said 21st, 22nd, 23rd will be the mega combination day. So always remember, in PEL also it is 3 combination, and PI Industries also 3 combination. PEL 4 combination. So it has done a miracle on the upside. It doesn't mean that since it is getting 3 combination, it has to go only upside. No, it is not like that. It will also go down drastically. It will also go down drastically. And today I explained everything in my webinar. So 21st I is not crossed. 22nd was a small candle. 23rd collapsed. Now people are talking about some news came out and all this. We are not at all interested in the news. The news will follow when the time comes into the picture, or the price will follow when the time comes into the picture, which is, we always say that is called price action. The price will come to action when the time comes into the play. If there is no time, then the price will not have action. Then the price will not have, action. Okay, so now Bank Nifty inside bar pattern monthly, and minor cycle topped out, but the major cycle still holds in Nifty. If it breaks and closes below 17,576 on a weekly closing basis, this bull market rally is ended. And I'm expecting, as I already told you, I was expecting 17,400 and sorry, 14,739, and the next stop will be 13,079. 13,079 is what I'm looking at. Maybe if you want, I'll write the number. 13,079 and 14,937. Once it breaks 17,576. Till the time this bull market is valid. Okay. So now 4 combination in Nifty. Effect will be seen on 29th given here. And this is the Monday timing candle. Monday timing candle. And I have already given you the 1 hour candle, which you need to watch out in Nifty and Bank Nifty already for the expiry. Okay. And you can mark it. It is not only for the expiry. You can mark it and keep it and run the show till it breaks the low or the high. Till it breaks the low or the high. Okay. Because it's a mega combination. Okay. So now this is done. And tomorrow I will try to give this number for the whole week. And Nifty closed below this number. Bank Nifty is holding this number. So watch out for this. And numbers, coming to numbers, 3 numbers are bearish. And this will be the mega number. 18,822 will be the mega number. In case if the market goes up tomorrow, this number will act as a major resistance, because this is the weekly number with the combination of the positional number. So 18,815 to 18,822, 7 points will know what's going to happen in Nifty future. Okay. And Nifty spot I have already given. And last week the buy is not initiated. Sell got initiated. It gave 4 targets. And now sell below this. But according to me, the best sell should be only below 18,584 on a 30 minutes closing basis. And again saying tomorrow is the minor cycle. So first 15 minutes high and low will do the needful. And the mega cycle is on 28th and the effect will be on 29th. Okay. So now coming to Bank Nifty, all the numbers are bearish. Absolutely. This is what is happening. And let's see, you can go short below this number. You can go short below this number and you can go long above this number, 43,981, 43,900, oh, sorry, I'm sorry, 43,981. Okay. And all the numbers are bearish. So all these numbers will have a resistance on the upper side. The one number which you need to focus is this number for this week. This number for this week. Okay. So it is already close to below. Let's see, at least we are getting another 1,000 points the downside, but I'm not giving up the hope that we may see a green candle tomorrow morning. Let's watch. Keeping the fingers crossed based on the past. Okay. So now coming to trend change date. So Atul is having yearly date tomorrow, and watch out for Apollo tires. Watch out for Apollo tires. And PEL made the exact top again on the yearly date. Again on the yearly date. And the low was 904 and the close was 883. So Atul, Siemens, Alchem, Apollo Hospital, and Ffrom, Crompton, HDFC AMC, MSFL, Ramco Cement, Z, all are having the dates. And very special is Atul. And second on 27th is Balakrishna Industries. Balakrishna Industries. So more or less again and again the pharma is coming into the radar. So watch out for pharma sector. The re-rating may happen from here also, or it may even dampen the sentiment also. So watch out for pharma. And many people asking about IEX. I already told you till it holds 119, be safe. Below 119, it may even go up to 98 level. The trend change is happening on 29th. The trend change is happening on 29th. So watch it. And this is the other thing. And Jubilee Food, you need to watch out on 30th, because on 30th, it is having 2 combinations. And again, tomorrow, now we have worked out something special, and where we know that which are the stocks are coming into the combination dates based on the previous cycle, and it should have a minimum 5 dates which merge together on a single day. So the stocks are Adani Enterprises again, Adani Port again, Indus Tower, India Bulls, and idea. So all these 5 are having the major trend change combination of 5 dates in a single day tomorrow. So first 15 minutes high and low will do the needful in these 5 stocks. So now we automated that. So every day we will know which stocks we need to trade, tomorrow. So now I am giving you an example. I will not be sharing this to everyone. So it may not, happen. So you can use this for tomorrow. Adani Enterprises, Adani Port, Idea, India Bulls, and Indus Tower. Okay. And let's see, 3 counters we are already in. And that's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Even if you take RSI, MACD, stochastics, all are given negative divergence on the top. So watch it. Keeping my fingers crossed for a green tick tomorrow. But even though I'm holding a short position, I will definitely cover once the hourly candle, which I showed you in the video, once it closes above, I will close my short and I will go long. And last month, our rocker was PI Industries, which has given 20%, and PEL is given 20% in 3 days. And this month, we already identified 4 counters, and I am waiting for the price to come and converge, in these 4 stocks. Once it is done, we will take some good position, and rest we will leave it to the market, whether it is going to punish us or reward us. Everything is going to be with the market. And let's see tomorrow at 9:07 with the magical number. And if there is any candle which is having a combination, take it. Thanks a lot. Until then, good night.